So just taking a quick look at Solana then on our daily time frame here. As you can see, not too much to report. We have been having a bit of a weird time of things recently because we've got a bit of conflicting information in the markets regarding Bitcoin retracing, but Ethereum looking like it's hit a new all-time high and wants to pump. I think because of this, altcoins in general are in a bit of a weird spot. Solana right now grinding to the upside here. I'll show you the story of the past, well, year at this point, almost 2 years to be honest, of Solana having a really good move during 2023 going into 2024. As you can see, obviously we came down to that low of the bear market at around 8. Let me just make sure that this is lined up correctly, of around $8, which is incredible to think now. You can see we came up, consolidated, and had this incredible pump during that period where we were basically having meme coin frenzy on Solana. Then we put in this range here. We obviously broke, retested, swept the all-time high, got massively rejected, came all the way down, swept the low of the range as well, sweeping out all the liquidity below these levels here. As you can see, got a nice V-shape back up into the range. As you can see, tested the high, tested the low, and then since then we've kind of been just grinding to the upside here. You can see very choppy price action recently, and this is nothing new. Pretty much all of our altcoins are looking like this as we try and figure out where we're going next. Solana here looking like it's grinding back up towards that previous all-time high area here. I would probably expect that to be the next target. To be honest, there's not really any roadblocks here for Solana to be continuing up, provided that Bitcoin doesn't dump the market as it so often can. Obviously we've got NFP today. I think is it NFP, which is obviously going to affect the markets today, so let's see what happens with that. But overall I think the trend is Bitcoin's looking like it's heading back to all-time highs again. Ethereum's looking like it wants to go and make a new all-time high for real. And across the market you can see quite a lot of altcoins coiling up for a big move in some direction. Right now Solana here, we're very much just looking like we're going to have continue to chop until we make a clear direction in the market. Overall, things for Solana have been a bit stable coiny recently. Anywhere from this $100 to $200 area has been a pretty consistent range, but I do think Solana could get continuation if we can see some good movement for Bitcoin to the upside. Like and subscribe and leave a comment and get some free money in the description below. Loads of great signups you can get there. Cheers.